Hey guys, it's Trippy, welcome to the video. Today myself and Connor went to visit a place called Prussia Cove. It's normally a place we'd go to on the weekend, but because it's meant to be really rubbish weather, as I'm looking out the window now it's chucking down with rain. We actually went on Friday after work, which is a first because normally we record between, I'd say like we start recording about 10 in the morning and stay in the area for a few hours and end up leaving about 2 or 3 o'clock, whereas this time, by the time we had done recording, the sun was starting to go down, so it might look slightly different to the other ones, but I'm looking forward to seeing how it comes out with the sun lower in the sky, so we will find out if it looks better or not. The Prussia Cove itself is set between Porthleven and Penzance. Apparently it's privately owned, but they allow people to use the area as long as they respect it. So it sounds a little bit like National Trust and everything, but just an independent group of people rather than like a big company. One thing I feel I should mention, and there's no merit or proof behind this, is that apparently this area has a little bit of a reputation for crime. In terms of people's cars being broken into and stuff. We parked there, it's all free, sort of park at your own risk, but the area around it to me seems quite posh. And when we arrived there was loads of cars there and they all seemed fine, and as I said, my car was there for about an hour and nothing happened to it. But I was just told by a couple of people that the area used to have a reputation at least for people's cars being damaged and broken into, so I'm sure it would be fine, but I thought it was worth mentioning is all. Right, on to this. The little cannon. So as you can probably tell by that clip, it was very windy today, which made a lot of my audio unusable because the wind was blowing into the microphone. But the good thing to come out of it was that I've been doing a bit of research on the drone and how well it can sort of fight against the wind. And if you put it into a thing called sport mode, it can actually fly a lot easier into the wind, or just in wind in general. So I tried that today. I wouldn't normally dream of flying in this kind of weather, and it seemed to hold its own really well. So it's encouraging for future videos if I go to a really great spot and I've got the perfect shot to take, but it's windy. Before I wouldn't have taken it out, but now I feel much more confident with the drone. So yeah, unfortunately a lot of the audio will be lost, but at least I'm more confident with the drone, so every cloud has a silver lining and all that. Well, the sun's kind of coming out a little bit. Secret stash. This would be quite cozy if it weren't for everyone's rubbish. There's like an old flip-flop and all in here. nearly got me. It looks so... Whoa! Woohoo! It's like over there, it looks really scary when it builds up. You'd never get out of that. What is this? I thought there was a sign or something on there. That was Prussia Cove in a little corner, wasn't it?
Yeah, that one.
Whoa, Nelly. Oh, a little bird. Oh my lord. You can see the waves really building up here. There's a tiny bird, I think it's a baby there. I don't want to go too close in case it can't fly properly and I scare it into the sea. Holy hell! That one was massive. And I think that's about it for this video, guys. So thank you for watching as always. I definitely recommend Prussia Cove, whether you're just walking by yourself or as a couple or walking the dog. And again, I'm sure people do fish here. There's a couple of good looking spots where you can just sort of cast the line out. But yeah, overall, really enjoyed it. Shame about the weather as always. Not sure when the next video is going to be again. I know I keep banging on about it, but because of the weather, it sort of disrupts what I can do. But the week after next is when I've got my week's holiday, so hopefully I'll be pumping out the videos then. My plan is to record in the morning, edit in the evening, repeat, so fingers crossed for the weather. But yeah, other than that, thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you whenever I upload the next one. Cheers.